Oh, somebody done pulled up on me out the country. Who it is?
It's Vlogmas Day 4, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get into it. It's Vlogmas Day 4, and we here with our room tour in Curacao. First and foremost, we want to start with this huge stove. It's probably one of the biggest stoves that we done had on vacation so far, if I'm not mistaken. So let's head this way. But we did utilize storage in Arizona, but I don't know why we're not utilizing storage right here. Kenny, he could at least got this side, and
I'll put my stuff in there if you want me to.
no, what is this?
No, that's laundry, ain't it? Yeah, dry cleaning.
Yeah, I don't want to touch nothing because she said whatever we touch, we gotta pay for it, and I ain't got time for that. All right, so it's just like little storage closet or not, and then head over here. It's the bathroom, well, just the toilet. Yeah, like where the smell coming from. Don't know where it's coming from, but y'all, it smells so good in here. Really nothing to see in here for real. It's just a toilet, if that makes sense.
Moving from this area to our left, I think, well, for my left, this is the part that she told us don't touch because they're gonna charge. So I don't know, they got a sensor. If we open this, it's gonna charge you. You ain't have to touch nothing. All you have to do is just open it and it's gonna charge you. And then anything up here, you pick it up, it's gonna charge you. So I guess they think we in Vegas. I don't know if Vegas told us the same thing. They said, if you touch anything, we will charge you. Then we're gonna do a 360, no, a 120, no, a 130, and we're gonna be right here in the shower. We have a glass shower in the middle of the room, which is crazy because every shower, it's kind of echoing, so let me get out of here. Every shower that we get be different. Now we're coming out the shower. They got the towel racks right here. We get fresh towels every day. It was like some little miniature, little, you know, shampoo, conditioner, shower caps, that typical stuff right here on this nice little, wooden stool. This is pretty cool. We get wooden stools and everywhere we go, don't we?
Not everywhere we go. I know we just had one in Arizona.
I think that's why it looks familiar.
Yeah.
Then right here is our sink, which is, this is pretty cool, right? So the sink is like attached to the back of the headboard of the bed. So y'all can kind of see that side too, but this is the sink. We get 2 fresh washcloths, the cups. I don't know why they be putting cups in here. I don't know. And then this little thing right here has stressed Renee out a little bit this morning. As y'all know, this international ports. So I don't know how I can stress this much more. If you're going out the country, you might as well buy you an international port, because you don't want to be like us where it could have been worse. They could not have had the USB-C slot inside of that and we would have been shocked. But luckily the front desk, they did have the port for us, so Renee, she was able to, you know, slay her hair down. And then down here, this is where we put all our stuff at. It probably look like a lot of stuff, but it's fine. We got some towels, hair stuff, blow dryer, and they got these cool little slippers that you could have on, and then we got a scale. But this my side, this Renee side, got to have our lotion. This is my vacation lotion. Smells so good. Go get you this. Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. And then my vacation cologne, that Valentino. But I'm gonna let Renee show the bedroom side of things and our little office, which is pretty cool.
And this is where your girl is getting ready at. They have a little vanity right here along with a little stool where I can sit down, because I was over here doing my makeup and I'm like, what am I doing when I can just come right here, utilize the vanity and do my hair and makeup right here. All right, so as y'all know, I was on the hunt for the little adapter thing. Luckily I went to the front and they had one, and this is exactly how your girl was able to do her hair. We had the same thing in Paris, but we was prepared in Paris, but we wasn't prepared here. But luckily the lady at the front desk, she was like, girl, I cannot have you walk around with your hair looking like this, so here you go. And she came in clutch with that.
Let them see that bone straight.
That's that bone straight. It's a little humid outside, so it may look a little fuzzy in the back, but that's perfectly fine. We have a stool right here, which I didn't know where you can just sit down at and chillax right here. I didn't see that because...
How you didn't see it?
I don't know, I even slept on this side of the bed. All right, so this is our little office. You good? You run to the TV?
I'm good.
All right, so this is our little office area where we can just, you know, we want to sit here, do a little editing, but we will not be editing and upload on vacation because y'all, the Wi-Fi here is horrible. So y'all might...
For uploading?
Yeah. upload and trying to download the video when the editor sent it back. It said 3 days, and that's not going.
3 days?
Yes, that's why I had told E, friend, can you go ahead and upload for us? So she did that. Yeah, so they got a couple little plans right here. We can go to like Cabana Nights, we can go to Moon Beach, and then they also got activities as well, along with the floating breakfast, which y'all will see tomorrow, because today we really just had a chill day, because we already knew for a fact like today was gonna be room tour day. And then they also gave us these little cards where we can place like our order for breakfast. I just don't understand why we paid for breakfast, y'all.
I get it back. That's why I put it on my card.
Okay, so we get it back because y'all, we literally slept in today, and I'm like, Kenny, we need breakfast. We got water. They only give us 1 water a day, but that's perfectly fine because we like to go out where the shop's at and get that good fresh water, because baby, the water that they got here is super good.
Read
We
it.
also
Read
got
it. You gotta read this. You gotta read this.
All
This is
right.
what I read last night.
All right, so Kenny Maurice want me to read this card. It says Kontiki Luxury Suites. We recognize that we may be located in a lively area and it can be noisy at times. We realize how important it is at night. So basically, last night, y'all, it was so freaking noisy. It's literally a beach club out there at night. And when I say the music was music blasted, but I don't think these gonna work. So me and Ken, we literally just slept on it and called it a night, because y'all, it was so freaking loud. They was playing all type of like, look, retro music. I'm like, we might well just go out there and enjoy the party.
They were playing Snoop Dogg. That was not no retro.
All right, so that's the office area. Boom. King size bed. Last night, y'all, we slept so freaking good. When I say I did not want to get up this morning, I did not want to get up this morning because y'all, this bed is so freaking comfortable. So we have a king size bed. Last night we slept so good in this bed, y'all. It's just something about these hotel sheets and hotel duvet that feels so freaking good. I did not want to get up. I woke up at like 7 this morning and I was like, I'm going back to sleep, because Kenny Hugh was laid out on his back, y'all, and I'm just like, I might well lay back down since my man still asleep. I said, baby, I know this bed feels so good, so that's why I didn't even try to disturb him. We got our TV right here. It's literally in the middle of the floor. Kenny, he literally just ran into this, so you gotta make sure you being careful, because it's literally right in front of the freaking floor. And then of course, the usual nightstand, light, plug, and that's basically it. Comfortable king size bed.
The snack bar that we got for, you know, late nights.
What we got over here? Do we got a phone?
Yeah.
Will it work?
I don't know.
I don't know. Like I said, when we on vacation, we like to pack up snacks. So this trip, I just did Kenny little caramel things. Don't know what these called. What these called?
Cream savers.
Oh, got his cream savers. I got peppermints, peanut butter crackers, and some peanut butter bars. Just something so we can have in a room so that we can snack on, because I really ain't seen much snacks. I seen some chips and that was it, and some Coke and some Sprite. So that's our little snack bar whenever we want like a quick snack.
What this is, like a day bed?
Yeah.
So I've been chilling out on this day bed, but forget the day bed. Look at this. Look at this right here. This speaker is so fire. When I tell, oh, them knees?
Yeah, that was
That's your
my knees. I'm sorry,
We
y'all.
gotta hit the
Yeah,
gym.
oh.
We gotta hit the gym, because them knees, you get old, them knees, they're gonna be like paper. But yeah, this speaker right here, it's a I looked up Marshall Action 3. This is Action 2. I don't know why, but Action 3, it was $200. So I placed my order. It'll be here soon. We're gonna do an unboxing. This speaker sounds so good. As y'all know, we got the Amazon Echo, what's it called? Amazon Echo Show.
Yeah.
And it sound cool. But this, hold on, we got to play something. Hold on. How long can I play it? 10 seconds?
Yeah.
Alright, I ain't gonna get copyrighted by YB. He too rich. We trying to get where he at. Now, this is my favorite part about this whole entire what this is like it ain't no villa, because villa's over water, right?
No.
What is this, just a room?
They have some beach villas. They have some regular villas. Every villa not over the water.
Oh, so this is a
Like
villa?
the ones in Cabo is a villa. If this was a villa, it would have been by itself.
Well, it's like sanctioned in a pod. It's only, how many of these is it right here?
I think it's only like 12 rooms in total.
12 rooms in total. So it's kind of like we secluded, but it's kind of like we're not. But let's go ahead and step outside. Now we outside. This is a lot of square footage right here. So right here we got a little breakfast table. And then right here we got 2 little, you know, chairs that somebody would put on their front porch. You know, get you a little retirement check-in. When you go on vacation, you know, you sit back, sit in your retirement chair, you just vibe out. Sit your little Casamigos right here, or your little cognac, pull you up right here, just sit back, just enjoy the vibes. Look at the vibes, y'all. Just go and twist them around and show them the vibes. Look at the vibes, y'all. Look at the vibes. It's giving very much aesthetic luxury. All right, and then we're gonna make our way over here. Y'all just seen the pool. The pool come with a day bed. This is all us. All this is us. Day bed, pool. Pool got lights, and we got a shower. Golly, that sun's stinging. So like, as y'all can see behind me, there goes somebody else's little station.
Somebody up there.
It's a station right there. Somebody on top, but it's really not that many. We haven't seen that many people in this. I've seen one person. Oh, and then down there is where we was gonna stay earlier. So we gotta head in because they playing music. So come on in. Shut these back up. It's very, very humid out here. Atlanta, boy, when we left to come here, I kid y'all not, it was what, quit about 30 degrees.
It was cold.
It was about 30.
I'm gonna have to get me a jacket, remember?
Yeah, you're gonna have to get you a little sweater or something. But it's another part to the room. I'm pretty sure y'all looking like, where's the other part? Well, I'm gonna let Queer Renee show y'all this part.
Come on, let's head over here. I know y'all probably looking like, where we going with? So, we could go right here, or we could go right here. But we're gonna go ahead and go right here.
You gotta twist the knob. No, that's a window.
Wait, how do we get out of here?
That's a window.
So was it this one?
Yeah.
Oh, see? Told y'all. Do we go here or do we go there? So apparently, we go here. You ready?
You gotta twist the lock 2 times. You gotta hear it click 2 times.
1, 2. Oh. All right, let's go. We have our own balcony. All right, so we have access to our private balcony, which is right here. This is why we really, really love this room, because we can just come out here, relax if we wanted to. And then we have a whole little deck thing right here as well. Oh yeah, this is our list. I can make a thumb scratch. I told y'all I had hunch on Kitty. But yeah, back to the room. But yeah, this our list, y'all. There go our look. Y'all, we gotta get back in because they playing music. Come on. So we back in because y'all, they playing so much music, and y'all already know this is our job when you're trying to get copyrighted. So yeah, this is our full little villa slash room, however you want to call it. Ken think it's a villa, so we gonna call it a villa. But we about to go ahead and head out. We can go get us some lunch, and I think this gonna be a wrap of Vlogmas Day 4. Or should we take them with us, Ken? You think they're gonna be sad if we just ended here?
We finna take them with us, cool.
Oh, we finna take y'all with us because y'all, we was just finna end. Y'all know, y'all probably like, y'all,
Or
it's
should
not.
Or should we end it right and do
start
another one?
vlog. Yeah.
Oh, so that mean they gonna have to wait till tomorrow.
Yep. All right, so we got to get ready to end this vlog.
All right, y'all. So we are going to strike up another vlog right after this.
Yes.
We're trying to give y'all as many vlogs for
As
Vlogmas as possible. We aiming for about 15 to 20. So you never know how many y'all gonna get. I mean, I know y'all gonna be anticipating the next vlog to see what all we're gonna be doing in Curacao. But unfortunately, Vlogmas Day 4. It's Day 4, right?
Yeah.
Vlogmas Day 4 is finna stop here. We will see y'all tomorrow.
And Vlogmas
Day 5.